The shriek slammed into my ears. It radiated through my slouched, nearly sedentary body. My fingertips jerked on the computer keyboard, and the legal brief I'd been writing was suddenly full of gibberish. Maybe it was already full of gibberish. Who knew? But the sudden surfeit of extraneous letters made it all the more incomprehensible. Like my thoughts. Who'd screamed? Why? Where? It was nearly 10 o'clock at night. No one else was dedicated enough to still be around the law offices of Urick and Associates. Or so I'd assumed an instant earlier. The scream had sounded like someone inside this building. Someone incensed. Someone in pain. Someone hurt. Dying? Heck, there'd been too many murders around me lately. The usual person soars through her entire lifetime without encountering even one, but several had orbited my existence in the last few months. No wonder my imagination lent emotions to a sound that was probably in my head, but I was a lawyer. What imagination I had was devoted to dreaming up winning legal arguments for clients, not screams in the night. I couldn't ignore the noise. As if my shaking body would let me. I stood, listening to the now utter silence, except for the rapid thud from my overly excited heart. Should I dial 911? I reached for my purse stashed in a desk drawer and snatched my cell phone from it. I pushed in the numbers, but wouldn't hit send till I was sure something was wrong. Maybe someone had programmed some jarring mechanical gadget to turn on at this hour. Or I'd heard squealing tires outside of Ventura Boulevard, unidentified thanks to how intensely I'd been concentrating on my brief, or I was rationalizing. What I'd heard wasn't electronic, and it unequivocally emanated from inside. My shivering finger pressed send. I prepared to identify myself, Kendra Ballantyne, attorney at law.